Unlock your website's full discoverability and boost your search engine rankings by learning how to create a vital XML sitemap for your WordPress site. First, ensure you have an SEO plugin installed, and activated. The most popular and effective is Yoast SEO. If you don't have it, go to Plugins, Add New, search for Yoast SEO, install and activate it. Once Yoast SEO is active, navigate to SEO on the left-hand sidebar, then click on General. Within the General settings, select the Features tab, scroll down to find the XML Sitemaps option, and make sure it's turned on if it's off. Click the toggle to enable it. This single setting is crucial for generating your sitemap. With XML Sitemaps enabled, Yoast SEO automatically generates and updates your sitemap. You'll see a confirmation message indicating that your sitemaps are ready. To view your sitemap, click on the XML Sitemap link. This will open your sitemap in a new tab, typically ending with /sitemap-indexml. This is the URL you'll submit to search engines. Now, let's submit this to Google. Open Google Search Console and navigate to the Sitemaps section. Enter your sitemap URL into the designated field. Click Submit. Google will then process your sitemap, helping it to efficiently crawl and index all your valuable content. By implementing an XML sitemap, you're providing search engines with a clear roadmap to your content, significantly improving your site's crawlability and ultimately leading to better search engine visibility and higher rankings. Mastering your WordPress SEO with XML sitemaps is a powerful step towards online success. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more WordPress tips.